Hi, I'm Jose Edwin Fernandez III, currently enrolled in the Doctor of Business Administration program of the Asian Institute of Management in the Philippines. I have 40 years of experience in various industries, from low-tech agriculture to high-tech semiconductors. I also have experience in various functions, from marketing to operations to finance. My most valuable skill set, I feel, is being able to turn around distressed companies. It is because of these skill sets that I am interested in entering the fellowship program. I'm excited to be able to support business growth, especially of small businesses and entrepreneurs. I am also excited to see what new learnings I can derive from this experience and to be able to deploy these new learnings to similar entrepreneurs and small companies in this country, the Philippines, and see how we can leverage our local expertise to pursue business opportunities outside the country. Thank you.